guys, I'm Maddie here with Palace. I'm our Provisions team lead, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make our pumpkin maple syrup. So first we're going to start off with 1 cup of water. Mix in 1 cup of white sugar. Wait. 2 tablespoons of maple sugar and a 1/2 tablespoon of pumpkin spice extract. And now we're just gonna mix it together until all of the sugar is dissolved. Something that makes our pumpkin maple syrup different than your traditional pumpkin spice is that we use maple sugar, which is derived from the sugar maple sap. It's boiled longer than it takes to make maple syrup, so it comes out as a solidified sugar, and so we use that. But if you're making this at home, maple sugar or maple syrup is a perfect, what is the word, substitute? And that's how you make our pumpkin maple syrup. Something else that makes our pumpkin maple latte special is our pumpkin shaken cream, so I'm going to teach you how to make it at home as well. So we're going to take 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream, and then a 1.5 tablespoons of our pumpkin maple syrup. And if you want to be precise like we are, when you have a scale, this is about 20 grams of syrup. So then I'm just going to take our frother, and I'm going to froth it until I get the desired texture. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys how to make a pumpkin maple latte. So you have 2 shots of espresso, we have 3 pumps of syrup, which is going to be about 30 grams, which is about 2 tablespoons of syrup, and then our steamed milk. And we're going to leave a little bit of room on top to top with our pumpkin maple shaken cream. And there you go. That's how you make our pumpkin maple latte. If there are any other drinks or items that you'd like to learn how to make, comment down below and we'll show you.